Hello everyone, this is Stacy. Okay, so I am about to clean the top drawer vanity area where I keep my makeup, and this would be the situation. Okay, so as you can see, I keep all my lip products, the ones I want to use here, my brushes, body sprays, perfumes, a bunch of facial lotions that I need, and this is the area where I film, but it's pretty cluttered. And over here I have my brushes and more lotions, eye cream, Z palettes, more brushes, and facial toner, and more of these areas. So I figured I would film the process of organizing this area here. I mean, it needs help. Okay, so I'm not sure where to start. These color pop eyeshadows I have here, I feel like they could go somewhere else. I used to keep them there, but then I replaced them with lip products I wanted to use. And at the moment I am doing a project planning for this product, these products. Okay, let me see. For sure this one, I need to wash it. It's pretty dirty already, so I'll take that out. These are the ones I use for the face toner. I use these reusable cotton pads and they work just fine, so I have some perfume here. This is the one with Johnny Depp. It actually smells really good. That one smells good. This one smells good too. What is this one? Oh, this is Ariana Grande. That one smells good too. I'll keep that on the side. Have more products here. Lip products, a brush. I'll put this aside. Have palettes. More palettes. This would be the majority of where my clutter is. I feel like this is like a lot. Let's figure out where to put these. These are Dollar Tree fragrance. I've been meaning to use, but I'll put this where my fragrance section goes. For sure the sunscreen goes there. Any fragrant mists I'm not using, I'll put them in the fragrance section. I really love my cup, but I feel like I shouldn't be using it for storage. I feel like I would want to use it as what it's intended for, so I'll remove this from my hair soon. Okay, so I'm just gonna use a little bit cleaner. So sorry to hand this. It doesn't matter if I keep putting all the dust on the floor. I'm going to mop that anyway. My beautiful St. Anthony with a rosary. He's really special to me. I keep him right here. I really want to keep my Rob Thomas on my display, but I feel like because it's in my room, I don't really listen to it in the car, so I'm going to take this with me inside the car, So I definitely decided to keep Snoopy in the middle there, and then my flowers, St. Anthony, my shells, this pumpkin display because I love pumpkins, so I'll go there. And this candle could be here. I love sunsets, I love displaying them, so a million could be here. And this is just a hairspray, so we'll put that away. Okay, so this is what it's looking like so far, and I'm liking the layout of that part. And now as I move towards this part, it's pretty much cleared out. I just need to figure out where certain things go. Like this is an example, like I don't need the whole package anymore, it's just this. So I could recycle this. Okay, so I could definitely keep my palettes here. This is all the palettes I just used, and that could go there. That's perfect. This could go here. Okay, so this is the main problem of why I'm decluttering. This, I think it's because of this. This is like already too much what we're looking at all in one place. So we'll keep it there. It could be here, but I think it's just too much stuff that I put here. Okay, so this is pretty much the finished result. I've decided to keep my brushes here. And this is like alcohol spray to disinfect. A spray bottle with just water to intensify eyeshadows. my face washes. These are like my skincare items, setting spray, a setting fan that I got from the Dollar Tree, my cotton pads, the palettes, and then this I drastically reduced the number of items that were in here. So I have my brushes, my comb, setting powder, brushes I use on the daily, batteries, eyelash curlers, date night essentials, and this is a perfume from Victoria's Secret Bombshell, so that one's really good. And then I kept my extra essentials here, my body mist, the candle, sunscreen, and I'm trying to use this up. It's like a room setting spray. I put like lavender oil, so that's good. And then the jewelry box, St. Anthony, my Snoopy, and the flowers. And yeah, so I think that looks pretty great. It looks cleaned out and easy to look at on the eyes, so I'm happy with the result. So thank you for watching, and I'll continue cleaning up the rest of the items I have not shown. Okay, bye. So I just wanted to do a quick update on how I organized the final result of cleaning out my top drawer. And I ended up putting back this lamp, and I cleaned it up a little bit, and it seems like it's fitting perfectly with my hair accessories here, my face washing section here, my brushes, that box back there, and everything else I kept pretty much in the same place. And yes, everything looks good, and I just wanted to share that quick input. Okay, God bless and bye.